Social media mogul Kylie Jenner on her surprising Instagram move. The 18-year-old has almost 70 million Instagram followers, and she just disabled the comments on her page. Then took to Twitter to explain why. On Tuesday night, she wrote, "I'm done with people self-promoting and the LBs."
I can't.
She clarified that LB stands for like back. But could her decision be about more than keeping other people's social media thirst off her page? Earlier this summer, the Keeping Up with the Kardashian star posted a series of Snapchats addressing the negativity she deals with online.
I've been bullied since I've been 9. From the whole world, it feels like sometimes.
Last week, Instagram announced it would allow users to disable comments or filter them using keywords. Chrissy Teigen chose to filter.
If you don't read it, it can't harm you.
What do you think of Kai's big social media move? Let us know on Twitter @ETNow.